Okay guys, so basically I just received some potatoes and carrot. This is, you can know, it is organic potato and carrot. So as you can see, this is organic. Okay, now you might have said, this is coming from Esther Delicious. Okay guys, so go over to Esther Delicious YouTube channel and check her out and get some organic carrot and potato. Alright, we're gonna cook some of them stuff in the garden too. More empty. You see red potato. Oh my gosh, red potato! Yeah, I'll go fast. Yeah, I'm gonna cook some of this. Yeah man, I'm gonna cook some of them stuff. So guys, as I said, go over to Esther Delicious YouTube channel and check out our organic YouTube channel. Organic stuff there guys. Really continue to have yeah, it's amazing. So please check out Esther Delicious.